Hi everyone, welcome back to Can CAD Channel. Today we are going to cover two essential commands, trim and extend. They are perfect for cleaning up and adjusting your geometry, especially when you're working with lines. Part 1, the trim command. Let's start with the trim command. You can find it on Home tab in the Modify panel. Go to Home tab on the ribbon. In the Modify panel, click on the Trim tool. Now you'll be asked to select the cutting edge. Next, click on the part of the line you want to trim. The parts beyond the boundary object will disappear. We can do again. Once you're done, press Escape to finish command. Part 2, the extend command. Now let's move on extend command. It works like trim, but instead of cutting, it lets us extend a line. Start by selecting the extend command, which else is Modify panel, right next to trim. Just like trim, you'll be asked to select boundary edge. Now click on the end of the line you want to extend. The line will stretch out until it touches the nearest boundary. We can do again. Press Escape to finish. Part 3, bonus tip, using trim and extend together. While using trim, hold the Shift key and you can extend instead of trimming. It works the other way too. When you're using extend, hold Shift to trim. This trick can save you a lot of time when you're editing. And that's it. Now you know how to use both the trim and extend commands. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe to Can CAD channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. See you next time.